Hi, I'm Alastair O'Brien, Public Services Sector Director. From the introduction, you've learned a little bit about the history of public services and what we're trying to do. Today, I'm going to give some insight into who we are, what we do, and where we're going. Public sector is comprised of three business units: health, government, and education and skills. We've got 4 offices here in Glasgow, Edinburgh, Coventry, and London. And what I'm going to do is take you on a tour of those offices, meet some people, see what they're up to, what project they're working on. Firstly, we're going to head to London to meet up with Tony Kirkett and the Health Business Unit guys. Hi, this is the London office. This is the newest of the Amor Group's offices. It was opened in December of last year. This is where our Health Business Unit is located, and we're going to meet Tony Kirkett, our Business Unit Director, who will tell you a lot more about what we do there. Hi Tony, why don't you tell us what you're doing in your Health Business Unit?
Hi Alastair, welcome to London. Our new offices for our new healthcare team. What we're trying to do down here is actually build some both product, which is new to Amor Group, that we can develop in the healthcare, as well as our consultancy arm. So some of the things we've been up to, we've done quite a lot of work consultancy with trusts up and down the country, developing business cases for them, strategies, and actually generally providing professional services. On the product development side, we're working down our new route that will include a clinical portal, one of the first of types across Europe, using best of breed and open sources. Looking forward to launching that later on in the year. We're also looking to enhance products around bed management, infection control, and actually offer the clients a combination of what they've currently got plus best of breed to deliver what they need going forwards.
That's great stuff, Tony. Even more so because clinical systems is something new for the Amor Group, and it makes it all the more interesting. Okay, now we're off to Coventry to see the education and skills guys. Hi and welcome to the Coventry office. This is where our education and skills business unit is based. Coventry office is just over 2 years old, and we moved here when we won some large projects for 2 of our main customers, Ofqual and the Skills Funding Agency. But what I'm going to do is introduce you to David Morgan, who's going to tell you a lot more about what we do in education and skills and what we do with our customers.
Amor's education and skills practice plays a pivotal role in the education sector as a whole. Working with strategic customers, including the Skills Funding Agency and UCAS, we've developed solutions that enable in excess of 10 million young and adult learners make key decisions about their learning and work-based outcomes. Using the unique learner number and the personal learner record, we've created a secure and reliable data exchange between schools, awarding organisations, learning providers and central government funding agencies. Working as a trusted partner to Ofqual, the industry regulator, we have developed its core IT systems to enable it to undertake its legal responsibilities with regards to the regulation of awarding organisations and the accreditation of the qualifications they provide. Working with our existing strategic customers and the new opportunities that we see emerging from the sector as a whole, we'll see the continued growth of our education and skills practice, and specifically our Coventry office, over the forthcoming years.
Great stuff, David. That's really good. Thanks for that. So now what I'm going to do is head off to Edinburgh and have a chat with Jimmy Lumsden, who's the Government Business Unit Director. And this is our Edinburgh office. There are about 30 employees here, mostly from public services, but we've also got 1 or 2 from our energy and transport sectors. I'm now going to introduce you to Jimmy Lumsden. Jimmy is the Business Unit Director for Government, and he's going to explain what he's doing in his business and where it's going to go. And here's the man himself. Jimmy, why don't you tell us something about your business?
Thanks, Alastair. In the Government Business Unit, we do work for 4 main subsectors. They are UK Central Government, devolved government, local authorities and the justice and policing arena. The main service lines we have are bespoke software and application support, systems integration, managed services and consulting. In application development, our customers include the Department for Communities and Local Government, SEPA, Marine Management Organisation. In managed services, we provide a very diverse service to the Scottish Government, running their procurement and their payroll operations for them. We also do infrastructure building support to organisations such as Business Stream and British Waterways Scotland. On the consulting side, we We work as diversely as in London for ORR, in Cardiff for the Welsh Government, and even as far north as the Orkney Islands. So we're a well-travelled and widely skilled business unit.
Brilliant, Jimmy. That was really good. And now we're going to head back to Glasgow for a wrap-up of the public services sector. Well, here we are back in Glasgow. This is the largest public services office, and staff from all three business units are based here. Hopefully by now you'll have learned a lot more about public services, what we do and where we're going. Thanks for watching. Julie, what's next?
Well, you've got a meeting at 2 with Brian to go over the accounts. At 3 o'clock.